Today, we will talk about liquidators. A liquidator is a person or entity with the legal authority to sell assets on the open market for cash or other equivalents, especially when a company is closing or going bankrupt. The primary purpose of a liquidator is to generate cash to pay off the company's debts. Liquidators are appointed to sell a company's assets to generate cash for various reasons, including debt repayment. They are often assigned by the court, unsecured creditors, or the company's shareholders, usually when a company goes bankrupt. Once assigned, they take control of the assets, sell them, and use the proceeds to pay off outstanding debts. The authority and power of a liquidator are defined by the laws where the role is assigned. They have a fiduciary and legal responsibility to the company, court, and creditors involved. They must make decisions about the company and its assets, issue correspondence, and hold meetings with creditors and the company to ensure a smooth liquidation process. Liquidators charge fees for their services, which vary depending on the size and complexity of the case. Per the law, their fees and expenses are paid first in the event of bankruptcy or liquidation. Liquidation sales, often advertised by retailers, are also a way to dispose of assets at rock-bottom prices. Retailers like Payless may undergo liquidation under a liquidator to sell off assets when facing bankruptcy. Liquidators are also required in other business scenarios, such as after a merger, to sell off redundant assets. Smaller or voluntary liquidations may not require the services of a liquidator. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. A liquidator has the legal authority to sell a company's assets to generate cash for debt repayment. 2. Liquidators are appointed when a company is closing or going bankrupt, and they have a fiduciary and legal responsibility to all parties involved. 3. Liquidators charge fees for their services, with their fees and expenses being paid first in the event of bankruptcy or liquidation. 4. Liquidation sales are a way for companies to dispose of assets at rock-bottom prices, often due to insolvency or to make space for new inventory. 5. Smaller or voluntary liquidations often do not require the services of a liquidator. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.